Hey everyone, welcome back to AJ's Tech City. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own Ethereum wallet using the MetaMask browser extension. First, you're going to need to open up Google Chrome. Head over to the Chrome web store. Then we're going to search and we're going to look up MetaMask. And you'll see here it's been verified by MetaMask.io. Press on that and then press Add to Chrome. Then you can read this and press Add Extension. Once installed, you'll see it will load up and it's going to start installing everything. If you stumble across this error like I did, just hit Restart MetaMask. When you install it, I suggest you press on this plugin icon and pin MetaMask so that you can easily access it like this. There we go. So you see, connecting you to Ethereum and the decentralized web. Click Get Started. Make sure you read all of this and you can decide whether you want to send data analytics to MetaMask. Right, at this stage, as we're creating a new wallet, we're going to press Create a Wallet. However, if you already have an old wallet and you've kept the seed phrase or secret recovery phrase, you can press Import Wallet here and type in your words one by one, and you can have different length phrase. Then you'll need to create a new password for that. However, today we're looking at creating a wallet, so we're going to press that. Create a password. Make sure it's strong password. Read terms of use, and then click Create. You can feel free to watch this, but personally I'm just going to move on. Here are your secret words. You're going to click to reveal them. Once you've got them, I highly suggest writing them on a piece of paper and locking them away forever, but make sure they're accessible and they'll never get damaged. Make sure you never give your secret phrase to anyone, because this phrase is like the key to your vault. It will give access to every single wallet you own, every single one you create on here. If you give this away to someone, they can access all your assets, and that's it. They can drain your wallet and you've lost everything. So you're going to click to reveal, copy these down one by one, and do not forget them. And make sure you don't store it on any public computers or reveal it when anyone's around or any cameras. Press next. Now MetaMask is going to test you. Put them in order. So it was Ridge, Diesel, Vast, First, Magnet, Rude, Finish, State, Brass, Penalty, Miss, Option. Confirm. There we go. Just a quick note, this is the one and only time MetaMask will ever ask you to confirm your secret phrase. Now, you press it all done, and here is your Ethereum wallet. Up here, you can change which network you're on. So Ethereum mainnet is probably the one you want to be on. This is where all the live transactions happen, where you'll make the real money and also lose the real money. If you press down on this menu, you can show or hide your test networks. I suggest if you're a developer, you show them so you can use them. So it'll take you to the settings page, press show. Go back up, press the X, and press on there. You see the Ropsten and Rinkeby and other test networks here. For example, if I press on the Ropsten test network, the dollar value immediately disappears because they don't want you assuming that this is real money, because it's not. It's a test net for test Ethereum. So there's still gas fees involved, but it won't cost you real fiat currency in there at all. So we'll just head back to the mainnet, because that's where most transactions will occur. Make sure if you have any Ethereum in your mainnet account, you do not send it to a test network account, because the wallet addresses may be different. To see your wallet address, you can hover up here, click on it to copy. Then if I just open a new tab and show you, Command V to paste it. Or we can simply just do right click and paste. There's your wallet address. If you would like to view your assets, you can go to Etherscan.io and paste your wallet into the search bar. Press search, and this is your wallet. So when you have transactions, they'll show up here, your Ethereum balance, the dollar value of your balance, and yeah, that's how you check that out. Now you can look at your activity here for any transactions you have submitted. If you press these three dots up here, you can view your account Etherscan a lot easily by doing that. Press it again, you can go on to account details. You can view your public key, which is what you can share, and your QR code that you can share for people to send you any token on the Ethereum blockchain. Most importantly, your private key is here. This private key isn't for every wallet, it's for just this wallet. So when you export it, you'll have to type in your password you set up at the start. And This private key you should never share with anyone, as it gives access to your entire wallet. One quick note, please make sure you do not send any Ethereum to this wallet that I've shown today. Otherwise, sure enough, someone out there is just going to take it and it's a waste of your money. You can buy Ethereum through MetaMask. So if you just press buy, you can use Coinbase Pay, Transact, MoonPay, Wire, or you can directly deposit some Ethereum if you bought it somewhere else. So if you would like to create more than one wallet under your account, you can press this circle up here and press create account. You can name it, so if I name it wallet 2, create, you'll notice that there's a totally different address. Here it says OX333, the other one, just go up here and press it, go to account 1, it says OXE2A. They are two different wallets, totally separate. It's like having your wallet and your sibling's wallet. They're two different wallets. They're the same item, they're still a wallet, they still can hold the same things, but they're different. And it's like having two safes. They have two different private keys, two different private passwords to access each one, and two different public addresses for each one. Make sure you're using the correct public address when you're sharing your wallet with someone else. Anyway, thank you for watching. That concludes our video today on how to create a MetaMask account, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video where I help you navigate MetaMask and show you all the features that you can use. Have a good day.